Hello everyone, welcome back to Hacks with Christina. Today I'm going to show you how to get odors out of stinky shoes. If you're constantly sweating in your shoes like my husband and his basketball shoes, and they do not get a chance to air out in between wears, that moisture starts to grow bacteria, which is why your shoes start to stink. But if you start using this tip, it can eliminate the odor and your friends and family will thank you for it. I like to take a couple of tablespoons of baking soda and put it into something sheer, like a thin piece of cloth, paper towel, napkin, or coffee filter. That way, the baking soda can do its job absorbing the moisture. This is totally optional, but you can also add a couple of drops of essential oils to the baking soda to give your shoes a fresh scent. Today, I'm using tea tree oil. Then you'll just want to tie off whatever you're using with a rubber band or hair tie, making a little sack. Make 2 sacks and then place them into the shoes to sit overnight. The next morning, give the shoes a good spray with rubbing alcohol. The alcohol will kill any of the bacteria sitting in the shoes. Let the shoes completely dry out, preferably in the sun, and after that, you'll be ready to rock those kicks again, odor-free. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hacks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!